inflation rose this year, interest rates climbed too. And according to the latest data from NRA, today, typical monthly mortgage payment is now almost $700 higher than it was this time last year. And if that's making you press pause on your home search, I get it. But here's the thing, experts project mortgage rates should start to stabilize, not continue their steep climb. This chart shows the latest mortgage rate projections from several industry experts. And on average, they're forecasting rates will remain fairly steady over the next 4 quarters, hovering in and around the low 5% range. The key is this, we also have to watch what happens to inflation to see how those mortgage rates will respond. I'm keeping a close eye on all the data, and the good news is as inflation shows signs of peaking, experts don't project mortgage rates will continue to rise like they did earlier this year. So what's the best thing to do if you want to make a move? Well, connect with me as your local Glastonbury real estate professional. I'm staying on top of all the data. And the housing market, it is changing. You definitely need a trusted real estate advisor to help you navigate this ever-changing market.